Hi friends, today let's discuss about the hybridization in C2H6, which is ethane. And this is the molecular formula, and we can write the structural formula as CH3CH3, in which one carbon is attached with 3 hydrogen atoms. So I am going to explain about the bond formed between, how the bond formed between carbon and also between carbon and hydrogen between these two, like by using hybridization. So let's write the carbon's ground state configuration, which is 2s2, 2p2. And let's draw the orbital diagram. This is 2s2 and 2p2. Now in the excited state, carbon's configuration becomes 2s1, 2p3. Why? Because one electron from 2s is moving into 2p. 2s1 and 2p3. So this is how the orbital diagram in the excited state. Now hybridization. Hybridization is the intermixing of atomic orbitals present in the valence shell, so that one s orbital hybridized with 3 p orbital results sp3 hybridization with 4 hybridized orbital, because one s combines with 3 p gives 4 hybridized orbital, and the hybridized orbitals are having equal symmetry and energy. So we can draw the 4 hybridized orbitals separately like this: 1, 2, 3 and 4, having 1 electron in each hybridized orbital. And this much is for the first carbon. Why? Because in C2H6 there are 2 carbon atoms, C2H6. The same kind of hybridization will be there for the second carbon as well. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Having 1 electron in each hybridized orbital. This is for the second carbon. So now next step is, these hybridized orbital will be undergoing overlapping. So to understand, I am just putting the numbers for each hybridized orbital: 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is like 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash and 4 dash. Now how these undergoing orbital overlapping is: 1. Hybridized orbital number 1 overlap with hybridized orbital number 1 dash. So that these two orbitals are undergoing overlapping results pairing of electron. It leads to the formation of a sigma bond between the carbon atoms. This is one carbon, this is another carbon. So between the carbon atom, a sigma bond is formed due to the overlapping of 1 and 1 dash. Now for the first carbon, the remaining 3 orbitals are these: 1, 2, 3. It means 2, 3 and 4. Similarly for the second carbon, this is 2 dash, this is 3 dash and this is 4 dash. Okay. Now what is happening to the orbitals? It is like this. Each hybridized orbital 2, 3 and 4 overlaps with 1s orbital of hydrogen atom. And 1 electron is already there in carbon, 1 electron is coming from hydrogen atom. Like that, 2 electrons are there in the overlapping area. Similarly, 2 dash, 3 dash and 4 dash combines with the hydrogen atom, leading to the pairing of electron. This is how they form sigma bond between carbon and hydrogen. So we can see between the carbon atom, carbon 1 sigma bond, between carbon and hydrogen 3 sigma bonds in each carbon. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon hydrogen. Carbon 1 sigma, and between carbon and hydrogen 6 sigma. So total 7 sigma bonds are there in ethane molecule. So this is how the molecule ethane has been formed, and this is how carbon and carbon hydrogen bonds are formed in ethane. So I hope you all understood. Thank you all.